So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to fix no SIM card on T-Mobile home internet device, SIM reset and gateway reset. So how to fix no SIM card on T-Mobile home internet device. Power off the gateway, remove and restart the SIM card properly, then turn the device back on to restore detection. If the issue continues, restart or factory reset the gateway to clear software glitches and reconnect to the network. So reset the SIM card. Fix loses or detection issues. Sometimes the SIM becomes slightly loose or dusty, which prevent the device from deleting it properly. Reseating ensure a proper connection. Turn off your T-Mobile gateway and plug it from power. Locate the SIM tray, usually at the bottom or back of the device. Carefully remove the SIM card. Gently clean the SIM's gold contact with a dry cloth. Reinsert the SIM firmly in the correct position. Plug the device back in and turn it on. Second one is restart or reset the gateway. Soft restart. Turn off the gateway, unplug it from power, wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This refreshes network signal and clear minor bugs. Second is factory reset. Locate the reset pinhole on the back side of the gateway. Insert a paper clip into the reset port and press and hold the button side. Watch the LCD screen where a countdown timer will appear. Continue holding until the counter reaches 0. Then remove the paper clip. The gateway will automatically reset and reboot. Wait for the animated logo, which indicates the device is powering back on. Once prompted, press OK on the front panel. If still not fixed, the SIM card may be damaged or deactivated. The gateway may have a hardware fault, so contact T-Mobile support or request a SIM replacement. Thank you.